No, you can start to introduce yourself.
Okay, first of all, thank you for Mr. Ibnu and Mr. Ilham for giving your time. So let me to present my biodata. So this is my agenda today to show you myself is first is describing myself, and number two about strength and my weakness. Number three is why I want to this job. Number four is my career about 3 years from now. Number four is what I know about the company, and number six is future. So this is my describe myself. Hello, my name is Alfredo Dargasa, usually called Dido. My birthday in Skarjo in 13 December 2020 and 2. And I love living in Sukoharjo. I am someone who is ambitious and adaptable. I thrive on challenge and constantly setting goals for myself, so I have something to strive for. I'm not comfortable with only one goal, and I'm always looking for opportunity to do better and achieve greatness. My biggest strength is skill in Microsoft and can also work to tight deadline under pressure. For example, I was asked to complete a project in 6 hours. My weakness, I'm sometimes not very thorough in the project I work on. From middle school until now, I'm still wicked to it. And this is why I want this job. I'm interested in this job because it's in accordance with the diploma I have, and I have the skills needed in this job. At the same time, I'm also quite interested in understanding how the system works at the airport. This is my career 3 years from now. I work in Hotel Fatmawati to be a reservation about 1 year, and in the first education center to be lecture is about 2 years. And what I know about this company is a company that runs the air transportation business. AirAsia is a Malaysia-based company involved in providing air transportation service. The company operates a fleet of 90 aircraft and flies to more than 60 destinations from hubs in Malaysia, Thailand, and Indonesia. The airline operates more than 3,500 flights a week with a low-cost system and a what you pay is what you get system. AirAsia is indeed a company that is currently very popular in the aviation industry. In this future, my hope in the future, I want to continue to carry out the work that has been given by the company and pursue that work. But I also keep learning new things that they might help to improve the quality of this company. So this is my finally presentation. Thank you for your time, and yeah.
Thank you for your presentation. I will call you soon. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Hello, nice to meet you. I'm the head of marketing department. This is Ilham, the head of personnel. Please have a seat. Your name is Mr. Alfredo.
Yes, my name is Alfredo Torrestra. You can call me Dido. I'm here for a job interview for the flight service staff in aircraft.
Yes, you are in the right place. I think we should just start with several questions.
Tell us about yourself, Dido.
I'm graduate from University 11 Maret. Previously, I worked with Hotel Fatmawati for 1 year and 2 years for education.
How long are you planning on working with us?
I'm an experienced in reservation officer and I'm very good on what I do. As long as your company will help me, I can work as soon as possible.
What is your plan to enhance our marketing department?
I will analyze first the account, a bit long-term plan, and divide it with several short-term plan and assembling the right fit.
You are very experienced.
Great. I think that is all for now.
Thank you for your time. We will call you soon.
Thank you for Good morning. Let me introduce myself. My name is Alfredo Travidestra. You can call me Tido. And is another video. You can call him Ilham.
No, you can start to introduce yourself.
Thank you. I will start my job interview presentation. Hello, my name is Ibnu Jamananto. My place of birthday is Sragen 1 June 2003. I was 19 years old and I now live in Sragen. I have a background in the diplomatic tourism at University 11 Maret. I'm a person who prefer to pay attention and like new challenge. Besides that, I have a personality that is responsible for what I have done. My skill is CorelDRAW, Microsoft Office, solid teamwork skill, and responsible and individual work. My language is Indonesian, English, and Japanese. My education and 2009 until 2015 in Minpatian Sragen Elementary School and 2019 until 2018 in Darul Ihsan Muhammadiyah Sragen Junior High School. 2018 until 2021 in MA Al Islam Surakarta Senior High School. And 2021 until 2024 in 11 Maret University Tourism Study Program. My experience is in school student organization and apprenticeship at Nusantara Tour and Travel, and then keep shop and service buyer at Tani Amorfet Leader Shop. My achievement is number second place ke Surda Tapak Suci Antar Pelajar Kota Surakarta 2018 champion number third Popda Pencak Silat Antar Pelajar Kota Surakarta 2018 champion number first kejuaraan Pencak Silat Terbuka Paku Bumi Open 9 2019. You can contact me about email, phone number, Instagram, and my address in Winong RT 37 RW 6 Patian Sidoarjo Sragen. Thank you for your attention.
So thank you for your presentation, and we call you soon. Thank you very much.
I am Ilham. I am the head of marketing department. This is Tito, the head of personalia. Please have a seat.
Your name is Mr. Ik.
Yes. I'm Ibnu Qasim. I'm here for a job interview for the waiter.
Yes, you are in the right place. I think we should just start with several questions.
Tell us about yourself, no?
I'm graduate from 11 Maret University. Previously, I worked with Nusantara Tour for 2 weeks and 3 years in Keep Fertilizer Shop.
How long are you planning on work with us?
I'm an experienced waiter and I'm very good on what I do. As long as your company would help me, I can work as soon as possible.
And what is your plan to adjust our waiter?
I will develop and apply my experience to get a better performance before, and I want to form a cohesive team collaboration dealing with customer complaint and problem.
Great. I think that is all for now.
And thank you for your time. We will call you soon.
Thank you for your time.
Good morning. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ibnu Qasim Hananto. You can call me Ibnu. In other video is Dido.
Now you can start to introduce yourself.
Thank you. I will start my presentation. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ilham Esa Ramadhani. You can call me Ilham. I was born in Karanganyar, 5th December 2002. I live in Karanganyar. I am 19 years old. My religion is Islam and my gender is male. About me, I am someone who is related to graphic design, photography, and video editing. Therefore, I am very happy to implement and share what I know with others. Working in the world of graphic design without putting aside my other interests to continue studying it. My greatest strength is drawing and graphic design. I also called work on time and under pressure. For example, I can also work in a team, good attitude, communicative, discipline, and be remote responsible. My weakness haven't had much experience yet, lack of mastery of foreign language, and less mastery of certain application. Where do you want this job? Graphic design is a communication process using visual element, shoot typography, photography, and illustration that are intended to create a perception of a message being conveyed. Educational background, the formal at Ringo Elementary School, Nangsri Elementary School, Jatan Junior High School, Kebak Ramat Senior High School, and 11 Maret University. Non-formal education, tutoring, Excel scan, and Solocom. Work experience, ESA digital printing as design graphic, Tokoesa skip shop and reserve buyer, ESA service serving purchase cell phone, Kurijanti deliver package. My skill is Corel Draw, the Photoshop, Microsoft Office, editing video, and design and graphic. My organization experience, Sekarasih Youth Organization, Design Graphic Community, Intra-School Students Organization. My achievement, first place in the digital poster design competition, second place badminton at village level. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you for presentation. I will call you soon. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, nice to meet you. I'm Tito, I'm the head of marketing department, and this is Ekman. Please have a seat. Your name is Mr. Ilham.
Yes, I am Hamisa Ramadhani. I am here for a job interview for the graphic designer.
Yes, you are in the right place. I think we should just start with several questions.
Tell us about yourself, Ilham.
I am a marketing graduate from Yale University. Previously, I worked with design printing for 2 years and 1 year with Isasat. I took a break to get married and have 2 kids. Now I am eager to go back to work.
How long are you planning on working with us?
I am an experienced designer and I am very good on what I do. As long as your company wants at me, I can work as soon as possible.
And what is your plan to extend our marketing department?
I will analyze first, then come up with long-term plan and debate with several short-term plan and assembling the right team.
Great, I think that is all for now.
Thank you for your time. We will call you.
Thank you for your time.